nigga for the fame, won't you? You'll get a pussy.
Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to make a smooth and stabilized speed ramps in After Effects. Right-click on your clip, go to time and enable time remapping. At the very start of your clip, start moving this time forward to choose the beginning of your speed ramp. Once you are satisfied with it, scroll forward for 1 second for example, or go to a music beat drop that you use in your edit and begin moving this time forward to choose the ending of a clip. Once you are done, cut the rest of your video. Now select both keyframes and hit F9 on your keyboard to easy ease them. Then go to Graph Editor. Right-click there and select Edit Value Graph. Now simply make a smooth curve like mine. This curve will make your video speed up at the beginning, then slow down in the middle and will speed up in the end again. Make sure to enable frame blending on your video. Click here twice until you see an arrow. Speed ramp is ready. Now let's pre-compose the layer and then we can stabilize the video. Make sure move all attributes and adjust composition duration is selected and then hit OK. Now go to Tracker and click on Stabilize Motion. Move track point to the part of the car that is close to the center of the screen. In my case it is the mirror. Make the track point a bit bigger and then click on Options. Make sure to check the Adapt feature on every frame and then change it to Stop Tracking. Set the If Confidence is below to 95% and hit OK. Click on Analyze Forward button and wait until it's done. Once the analyzing is finished, click on Edit Target and hit OK. Now click on Apply and make sure Apply Dimensions are set to X and Y and then hit OK. Video is now stabilized and it's locked on the mirror, but now we have that black edge issue. To fix it, you can scale the video until edges are gone. In case if you don't want to scale the video, you can use Motion Tile Effect to remove black edges, but a bit of scaling won't hurt your video at all. To learn more about speed ramps, I would recommend you to check this video's description and watch other speed ramp series like How to Speed Ramp in Reverse, How to Speed Ramp with Multiple Keyframes and so on. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and like the video please.